Imagine the 2 units of voluntary prayer known as Sunnatul Fajr. They are better than the whole world and whatever is in it. The Hadith says, Rak'ata al-Fajri. Rak'ata al-Fajri. Khayrum min ad-dunya wa ma fiha. The 2 units of Fajr, the Sunnah of Fajr, better than the whole world and whatever it has. So Allah is saying, قُلْ بِفَضْلِ اللَّهِ وَبِرَحْمَتِهِ فَبِذَلِكَ فَلْيَفْرَحُوا. You really want to be excited about something? The real thing to be excited about is the virtue of Allah and His mercy. When Allah has had mercy on you, you have the right to be excited, to be happy. Look at this, we've just completed the month of Ramadan. It is amazing. May Allah's virtue and mercy enshroud us and overcome us. We definitely want that, and that is of the greatest value. Allah says, "Huwa khayrun mimma yajma'un." It is better than what they have gathered and amassed. How much do you have? Billions. Where is it going to take you? Maybe nowhere. Few years, this earth, you might be able to say, I had this and had that. No. May Allah grant us goodness. But Allah says, the true wealth is when Allah has had mercy on you. The wealth of the dunya, you have it or you don't have it. Besides the point. This is what Allah takes a look at. So that is something amazing.